Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the royal bait in Fish It game on the blogs, whether it's worth or not to buy. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to show you where you can find the royal bait. You can buy the bait from the traveling merchant, leave the shop, and then I've already owned the royal bait, and if I'm not mistaken, it cost 400k coins. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how the bait looks like. Okay, this is the royal bait, and it will give you more chance to get the gold mutation, and the luck is 130%. And yeah, I think it's worth if you want to get the gold mutation guys. And also for the luck, yeah, it's enough, and I think this is really worth to buy, and it's a legendary bait. Thank you guys, and that's all about the royal bait and fish it game on the vlogs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.